Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video we are going to look at laser tool in Photoshop. If you have any comment about what we are going to cover, please comment on the comment section below, like this video, and let's get started. So what we are going to first to do is to create a new project here. We can use 16 by maybe 14, so it's not a square but some vertical shape like that. Looking good. I'm going to import an image here, maybe this cut here. By clicking shift I can expand it without losing the cut dimensions, like that. That looks good, and as you can see the cut have been pressed in a working area. So the tool that we are going to look at is this tool here called the eraser tool. I'm going to, by clicking on or drawing a shape, it will select that shape automatically. That is the laser tool. You can copy the layer and you will see a layer will be copied above the layer. You can come here and rasterize layer, and now when you click on it like that, you can be able to layer the cut by cut. As you can see here, it did cut our layer after you rasterize your layer like that. Next tool is this polygon shape here. You can literally draw a polygon with this selection tool like that. It will repeat by either copy like that or by cut. Next tool that we are going to use is this magnetic laser tool that you can, as you can see, this eye have been copied here. You can draw, you can literally draw with it. As its name suggests, you can just use it as a magnet. I'm going to return to the first image that we created by clicking on Ctrl Z like that. Using this magnetic tool, you can see that we can be able to trace the cat's eye effectively like that, and you can draw it like that, and you can see it have done a great job. Using these tools here, you can merge a selection here by drawing on it here. Sorry about that. Deselect and Ctrl Z. Using this tool, the laser tool here, you can be able to, this is the deselection tool. I'm going to deselect this layer that I have created right now like that. As you can see here, you can add using this tool here. As you can see, it will add that section well. Coming to this also, if you want to add here a little bit like that, maybe you want to remove this, you can remove by selecting on this one like that. You can see that our selection have been well done like that, and you can repeat the process until you are satisfied. Sorry about that. And after you have done that, you can click on it. You can copy the layer like that, or you can rasterize it if you want to move the layer. And for example, you can copy the layer, come to select here, having selected the layer like that, and you can work on that eye independently using these tools here. You can select the output here and make sure that the layer mask is selected like that. Click OK, and your layer will be good to go. So that is the select tool, or that is the selection tool. Last time we covered this marquee tool. today we have covered this. If you have any question, please ask them in the comment section, and see you in the next video. Bye.